Hey, if you want to make painting easy, the best way to do that is with a paint sprayer. I have one here. The brand did send this to me. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. My favorite part so far about this is that it is battery operated. You're getting two 21-volt lithium-ion batteries with this for long usage time. This thing is so lightweight. You're getting 4 different tips. The tips just slide in and out right here on the nozzle. Very easy. Here is your trigger. You've got an adjustment here on flow, which I'm going to show you. That's all there is to it, so let's start painting. And I'm loving how even this is going on. I'm absolutely loving the evenness of the coat. So that's the black tip. To paint that edge. Put it on here. Get this. This is very easy to clean because I'm using latex paint. So soap and water. As soon as I'm done here, we're gonna go put this in the service tub and we're just gonna scrub it down and get it ready for our next usage. They do give you these little funnels here, okay? And you're gonna wanna run your paint through the funnel in there. They're gonna give you this as well to run your paint. This is just gonna take out any clumps in the paint, any dirt, kind of keep the gun inside nice and clean. They do give you one of these little pieces here for cleaning all of the little nooks and crannies. But I mean, honestly, look, this is just making painting very, very easy. And that's the bottom line. If you don't want to do it by hand, you can get something like this. It's going to allow you to do a big project like this in probably 20 minutes. Whereas if I was going to paint this by hand, I'd be here for a couple of hours. You know, I could go around my entire house on the exterior up and down a ladder if I wanted to do that. So this thing is really cool. Definitely pick it up and check it out. It works great. Super good value. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.